dismisses another side totally. I think those 10 wickets, will they do it? It's a psychological boost. You feel much better. Life is all about feeling good about yourself.
Well, certainly Bhagalpur Bulls will be very satisfied with the work this afternoon. 3 wickets in the penultimate over has really put paid to Gaya Gladiators posting any kind of a big challenge. Vikas Patel has gone to the non-strikers end, giving the strike to last man, number 11, Saqib Hussain. Not the best of ploys.
No matter how long you travel in the wrong direction, you always have a chance to come back. So they should be telling themselves, if they have been restricted to such a score, they can also do that to their opponents. Their captain is hurt though. Rahmatullah, he was injured while fielding. Fielding at point, put in an effort. Oh, thickish. Fielder dives. Well done, brilliant. This is where this team has been spectacular. They have fielded and bowled as if their life mattered on this one.
Good save there from Vishwajit Gopala. Opener for Bhagalpur Bulls. Dives and definitely saves 2.
Tiny little contributions. Each player saves 2-3 runs. Suddenly, you are chasing 20 less.
Coach Vikas Kumar would be pretty satisfied with the team's effort on the field so far. This time goes aerial and all the way.
I love that. Those beats. I love that signal. I love that 6. We'll play that again for you. There he comes, and he said, this is the response. There was an effort coming in from the fielder, but 135 is good. 2 more deliveries to come. 1 more hit, and suddenly 140. Has always been a fighting total. Ten runs of the over already. See, my mathematics is improving. You keep scolding me like that. Oh, there, well done. This is cheeky, this is good, this is getting a boundary. 6 followed by a 4. 139.
Whatever they get is gonna help their cause. And remember, it is the bowlers who are helping their own cause. When you're batting with number 11, you don't have much to play with. This time a cheeky one, what they call the Dil Scoop.
And he's won a lot of hearts by his effort there. Kai dilon ko jeeta. Last ball. Make it 145. No, it won't be. How many? Keep running. 4! 143. 14 runs of the last 3 balls. This is absolutely a blistering ending. Yes, they did falter in the middle, but this has been a nice little flourish at the end. 6, 4 coming off the last ball. And suddenly they'll start to believe in their abilities a whole lot more.
The big question is, has the momentum changed? Because Vikas Patel suddenly decided that he wants to really give his bowlers something, and finished off with a strong flourish. 4, 6 and a 4, and that could be the difference between the 2 sides. Now they've got something that they can try to defend.
Yeah, but it was, if you there it is, 54. Piyush Kumar Singh stands out. The 2 openers perished early. Then there were tiny little 10s coming every now and then, but they just couldn't convert them into a big one. But that Vikas Patel's score of 18 from 6, a strike rate of 300, Ravi, that puts them, if not in the driver's seat, at least